truth about jihad.
This is what the world sees. For a long time, even if we believed it, we thought jihad was just about fighting or a holy war against governments.
We saw the headlines and the violence, and we thought it was just an excuse for conflict. As we studied, everything changed.
We learned that Islam's the religion of peace. Actually, the word Muslim means peaceful. Peace is the very nature and goal of this faith.
The true meaning of jihad comes from the Arabic word jihada, which simply means to strive or to struggle for a good cause.
First is the jihad against the self. It's about choosing discipline over distractions.
Hello? Oh. Tournament? Ngayon na? Sayang, may exam kasi ako bukas. Mag-study pa ako. Ano ba yan? Ikaw lang. Titignan ko muna, ha? Hindi, mag-i-study ako. Kailangan ko ito bukas.
Second is the jihad against the devil. It is the fight to stay honest and resist bad thoughts.
Dami kong babayaran ngayon. Hindi kasya yung pera ko sa pambayad ko ngayon. Saan kaya ako kukuha ng pera?
Stop!
Ate, yung pera mo. Thank you. Let's go.
Third is the jihad of the tongue. We use our words to speak the truth and stop rumors.
Uy, mga te! Bakit kilala niyo yung classmate natin?
Ano nangyari?
Si nakalimutan ko kaya pala di nakapasok kasi buntis.
Ano? Sino yung nakabuntis?
Yung jowa niya.
Yung always yung kasama?
Oo, sa library. Di ba? Nakakaano.
Bata pa sila.
Oo, akala mo. Palagi na.
Kawawa naman siya, baka hindi yun totoo. Baka sabi-sabi lang yun. Sige, mauna na ako.
Ano nangyari doon?
Fourth is the jihad against aggression. We protect the weak as a last resort, but we never use violence to force our beliefs.
May pera ka? Ito ba? Puntaan natin. Sige, pagkita naman tayo. May pera ka?
Wala.
May pera yan.
Patingin nga! Wala sabi!
Akin na. Akin na yung...
Yan, reklamo ng reklamo. Meron naman
Uy, anong ginagawa nyo? Tama na yan. Bakit ka ba ginagawa?
Wala nakikialam, ha?
Masama kasi yung ginagawa nyo eh.
Sama. Diyan na. Oo, bigay mo. Weirdo.
Thank you po.
Okay lang yan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Si Allah nang bahala sa kanila. Habaan mo na lang ang pasyensya mo.
Fifth is the jihad against hypocrisy. It is the courage to do the right thing even when everyone else is doing wrong.
Uy, ganito mo kabilang section. Tapos may nakita kong luggage. Ayun sa exam.
Oo, ayun na. Ayun na. Ako muna, T, para ma-perfecto. 1, 2, Thank you very much!
Ano yun? Ano yan? Ano yan? Uy, bawal yan.
Uy, wag, bawal.
Hindi nga
Tayo, wag. Kaya na, bawal yan. Cheater yan, pare.
Bawal yan.
Wag,
Baka
bawal.
mapunta kayo.
Masama yan, promise.
Hindi? Sama? Punta na ako doon. Ay!
Tara na.
Tara. Hindi na kayo bukas.
Hindi, kayo lang. Baka.
War is tragedy, never the goal. The Quran is clear, no compulsion in religion. We are not fighting a war against people.
We are fighting to be better humans. Jihad isn't a call to war.
Jihad is a journey of peace.